Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, good morning class.
Good morning, Miss.
Morning, Miss.
Before we start the class today, we can pray together. Start. Pray now. Finish. How are you today?
Fine.
Fine, Miss.
Okay, I'm fine. Thank you. Have you eaten this morning class?
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Miss. Yes, Miss.
Okay, that's good class. Are you ready?
Yes, Miss. We are ready.
Okay. Now let me check attendance list first. Sri Mulyani,
Present, Miss.
Ayu,
Present, Miss.
Raina,
Present, Miss.
Fiona,
Present, Miss.
Yeji,
Present, Miss.
Nindi, okay. No one missing, right?
Yes.
Okay, class. Last week, did you remember about material?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, tell me.
Procedure text.
It's about
Procedure
procedure text, Miss.
text, Miss.
Okay, that's good. So, Uli, you can definitions about procedure text?
Yes, Miss. Procedure text is the text, one genre of the text. It can be help us doing tasks or make something, Miss.
Okay, that's good, Uli. Give applause for Uli.
Yay.
Okay, class. You can see in the share screen. The first is definitions of descriptive text. You can see.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Siapa ya? Yeji, you can read the descriptive text.
Of course, Miss. Descriptive text. According Shahan, descriptive text is a written English text in which the writer describes an object. It means descriptive text is a text to tell about objects, example, like person, animal, place, or thing, etc. The social function of descriptive text is to describe a particular person, place, or thing. It means descriptive text is a text to describe specific about object, person, place, or a thing.
Oke, thank you Yeji. Jadi di situ tadi udah dijelasin sama Yeji. Di sana ada menurut Siahaan, descriptive text is a written English text. Jadi kayak tulisan dalam bahasa Inggris yang penulisnya itu writer describe an object. Jadi penulisnya itu tuh mendeskripsikan objek. It's mean tell about like person, animal, place, and or things. And social function of descriptive text is to describe a particular person or thing. Jadi dia lebih menjelaskan sesuatu itu lebih spesifik. It means descriptive text is text to describe specific about object. Descriptive text have to generic structure. Fiona. You can read about generic structure.
Okay, Miss. Structure. So generic structure of descriptive text is identification, description, and conclusion.
Okay, that's good. Thank you, Fiona.
Yes, Miss.
Jadi di descriptive text itu ada susunan atau strukturnya. Yang pertama itu identification. Yang kedua itu descriptions, and the last is conclusion. Di identification itu lebih menjelaskan atau perkenalan tentang benda atau tempat atau orang yang lebih spesifik. Kemudian yang di description itu yang lebih spesifiknya. Yang kemudian yang ketiga in conclusions is lebih kayak penutupnya atau lebih penjelas dari teks tersebut. Selanjutnya itu ada grammatical features of descriptive text. The first is specific participant. So, Raina, you can read about grammatical features. Raina.
Yes, Miss.
You can read.
Of course, Miss. Grammatical feature of descriptive text. The first one is specific participants has a certain object, is not common and unique, only one. For example, Pandawa Beach, my house, Borobudur Temple, etc. And the second is simple present tense. The sentence pattern use a simple present because it tells the fact or the object described. For the example is she is traveler girl. And the third is the use of the adjective to clarify the nouns. For the example, a beach, a beautiful beach, a handsome man, the famous place in Jepara, and etc. And the last one is action verbs. Verbs that indicate the activity contained in descriptive text. For the example is run, sleep, walk, cut, etc.
Okay, that's good. Thank you, Raina.
Of course, Miss, my pleasure.
So, class, grammatical features of descriptive text have two forms. The first is specific participant, like Pandawa Beach, my house, Borobudur Temple. The next is simple present tense. Simple present tense is the sentence pattern used is simple present because it is tell the fact of the object to describe. Jadi karena teks ini lebih menjelaskan sesuatu yang fakta, jadi kita menggunakan simple present tense. Kemudian selanjutnya itu ada the use of adjective. Kalian pada tahu kan adjective itu kata sifat. Like example, like a beautiful beach or handsome man and the famous place in Jepara. Kemudian selanjutnya, the next is action verb. Action verb ini lebih kayak kata kerjanya. For example, like run, sleep, walk, cut, and etc. The next is example of descriptive text. For example, like Paris. Paris is the capital of Europe nation, France. It is also one of the most beautiful and most famous cities in the world. Paris is called the City of Light. It is also an international fashion center. The first paragraph is identification. The next paragraph, the Seine River divides the city into two parts. 32 bridges across this scenic river. Dia kalau yang paragraf kedua itu description, and the last paragraph is conclusion. And the next, I have question for you. The first, what is the oldest and most well-known part of the city? Yang the second, from the text, we know that Notre Dame is located. The third is the 50th paragraph. The fifth paragraph tells. And the fourth, what is generic structure of the text? The fifth is what is the oldest and most well-known part of the city? Before we start the question, do you have question today? Do you have question, class?
No, Miss, enough.
Enough.
Nothing?
Nothing, Miss. Enough.
Nothing, Miss, enough.
Okay. I want a question for you. Sylvia Asrionica. You can tell me about generic structure of descriptive text. Sylvia Asrionica.
Yes, Miss.
Tell me.
Generic structure of descriptive text, yeah, Miss. Yeah,
Yes.
Miss. There are two generic structure. The first is identification and the second is description.
Okay, thank you, Sylvia Asrionica. You got it?
Yes, you're welcome, Miss. Thank you.
Okay, class. Time is up. So, if you have any question,
Enough, Miss.
enough. Okay. So you can I wanna send you about this link about question, and you can choose about the correct about A, B, or C, D, and E. You can get it?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you for your
Miss.
okay. Thank you for your nice attention. I think enough. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, kelas.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh,
Miss.
Miss.
See you, Lasri.
See
See you,
you.
Miss.
Don't
See you, Miss.
forget this question. Bye.